Chinese cultural lesson. Rude questions you can ask in China. Hello everyone, welcome to Everyday Chinese. I'm Crystal. In this Chinese cultural lesson, you'll learn 6 rude questions you can ask in China. In Chinese culture, it is normal for the other person to ask questions about your age, weight, and marriage, etc. That's because asking personal questions is seen as a way to build deeper connections and understanding with others. Now let's look at the 6 common questions. Question 1. Which year were you born? 你是哪年的？你是哪年的？ How old are you? 你多大？你多少岁？你多大？你多少岁？ When starting a conversation, Chinese people like to talk about their age. We don't think it's rude, as it's considered to be a good way to understand each other. There are different ways to ask someone's age. Click on the link above to learn more. Question 2. How much do you weigh? 你多重？你多少斤？你多重？你多少斤？ It's generally considered impolite in an English-speaking country to ask someone's weight. But in China, it's normal for people to talk about their weight. So don't be surprised when you are asked how much you weigh. Question 3. Have you gained weight? 你是不是胖了？你是不是胖了？ Have you lost weight? 你是不是瘦了？你是不是瘦了？ In China, you can tell someone that he or she is fat or thin. What is the reason for it? Mainly because they care about your health. If you are considered fat, it implies you have been eating very good food, and is a sign of general happiness in your life. If you are considered thin, it implies you haven't had a good appetite, or you have a good shape. So again, if a Chinese person calls you fat or thin, please don't take offense. They care about you. Question 4. Are you married? 你结婚了吗？你结婚了吗？ Do you have kids? 你有孩子吗？你有孩子吗？ When are you going to have kids? 你什么时候要小孩？你什么时候要小孩？ Do you have a boyfriend? 你有男朋友吗？你有男朋友吗？ Do you have a girlfriend? 你有女朋友吗？ 你有女朋友吗？ Family, marriage, and children have always been important in Chinese culture and society, which are considered as the insurance for a stable life. So, when Chinese people, even people you don't know well, ask you these questions and give advice on getting married sooner, they express their concern for you. They treat you as a friend and worry about your future. Question 5. How much money do you make? 你一个月赚多少钱？你一个月赚多少钱？ How much do you get paid? 你工资是多少？你工资是多少？ In an English-speaking country, people will feel very uncomfortable talking about money. But in China, it's normal to be asked these questions by your parents, relatives, or close friends. But don't do that to a stranger. Question 6. How much did that cost? 那个多少钱？那个多少钱？ How much did you pay for that? 花了多少钱？花了多少钱？ It is not a rude or bad thing in Chinese culture to talk about money. When our brothers or sisters or someone who we've known for a long time bought a new thing, we normally ask how much they paid for it if we are curious. Thank you so much for watching this lesson on Chinese culture. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a few more Chinese words and phrases that you can use in your next Chinese conversation. See you in the next video.